All right, so I have this 2015 or 2016 Kia Forte. Giving you a walk around. And it was salvaged out by the insurance company because it was hit right here on the door. You can see this bent up. I actually have this whole piece from another car, from a spare car. But I was gonna try to repair it, but then I just saw this. I might still be able to repair it. I have an airbag, so I'll replace the airbag. I'll see what I can do with that glove box. She's not clean, but she's vacuumed up from all the glass that was laying in there from the door, the front passenger door that busted. So still needs to be detailed again, but it'll be easier the next time I vacuum it, even though it is going to get dusty from repairing this and all that. So since it is a salvage title, I have to get it inspected. And the inspector that I deal with previously told me that he'll fill a car if the headliner looks like this. So this airbag that goes up here, the roof airbag deployed. And when it did that, obviously I pushed this out and there's a crease. So he told me that if there's a crease, most likely he's not gonna pass the car because of that. So you have to replace the headliner, which I'm okay with. And I have another headliner. But the thing is, the headliner is pretty wide, pretty long. How am I gonna get it out through one of these doors without creasing it somehow? You know what I mean? So even if I take the headliner out of the other car that I have, the good headliner, I feel like I'm gonna crease it while taking it out. So that's the dilemma. I took the airbag module out, which is in the center console right there. I'm gonna take this seat out and replace it with the other seat. Oh, I need to put that new roof airbag in as well. I just took it out. I need to take it out of the other one too, but it's kind of in a tight spot. My other car, it's surrounded by a whole bunch of mud. It's that one over there, that black one. And I have a whole bunch of crap inside of it, and I kind of need to get inside inside the front passenger seat and the rear passenger seat and sit there and start, taking all the little bolts and stuff out of the roof, and I have a whole bunch of junk in it. But right now, I grabbed some lunch. I'm gonna grab something to eat. I already did, but I'm gonna eat, and then we'll get back to this bad boy. Okay, so here's my Kia Forte parts car. And you see what I mean about all the mud. It has a little bit of mold in it since there's no rear window. But you see I have a headliner here, which is not in the best condition, but it has no creases. I have this seat, which I'm going to take the airbag out of, and I'm going to have to sew the other one. I have the roof airbag right here, which I'm about to remove. What else do I have? And these are the two doors. They're black, but they don't have any dents. They're not messed up. And if I do need to change that panel, I'll just cut this one out. The skin, and put it in the red Kia. All right, so we have the Kia looking like a ladybug now. I put the two doors on there and that fender just to see how they would line up, and actually they don't look too off, really. The fender fits perfectly. This rear door, you can see I didn't really bolt them in. I need someone to help me put pressure on this while I bolt it in, but the lines look pretty decent. Like I said, this needs to come out. It's probably an inch or so in. Let's see how the door just falls straight down. Like I said, I didn't really bolt them on there, just kind of set them in. I got the airbag module out. I'm gonna ship it off to the place that resets that. I need to take this little windshield off the other car without breaking it and have someone glue it. I could probably glue it myself, glue it on here, but I'll probably do that after I pull all the dents out, because I might have to use that portable frame machine